concept idea, you know the drill already. We're taking one concept, one idea, and we define it to you, and in 5 minutes we make you smarter, right? So we talked about renewable energy management yesterday, and we talked about energy efficiency. And if you remember, when I talked about the different strategies that we could be looking at, I mentioned energy audit. Why did I mention that? Simply because this is what we are going to talk about today. Today, right? I'm just going to make you smarter what energy audit is. And I'm sure by the end of it, you'll be able to explain to anybody asking you what it is all about, right? That's what we want to be discussed. So, question. What is an energy audit? Tony, can you clarify that for me? Energy audit, what does that mean? I know energy when we're actually auditing a company, the financial performance of a company, just was to define what it is. But what does it mean? What does it relate to when it comes to energy? Well, listen, the principle it's about the same, you know. And energy audit is a systematic analysis of the building energy use. What you are doing, you identify area of energy waste and opportunity for energy saving, right? When you have an energy auditor that is conducting a thorough review of your building energy use, including the heating, the cooling, the lighting, the appliance, and installations, what it does, like I say, will clearly pinpoint, identify those areas for you. Then you know how can I reduce the waste and how can I tap into opportunity to improve the savings. Yeah. So that's clearly what we're talking about here. That is what an audit is all about. No, why is it important? Because the question of why it's important, like I say, you always have to ask yourself this question. Don't just take it and say, okay, that's fine, that's a concept, that's fine, I need to know about it. Yes, but why is it important? This is what I like you to find out about. So it's important because it's essential when you are looking to reduce your energy costs, when you're looking to improve your efficiency, and when you're looking to reduce your also environmental impact. By you identifying those area of waste, you can be more targeted in the improvement effort that you want for your energy system, and that will result in significant energy savings and reduce your carbon emission. This is why an energy audit is important. So you may or may not know, but you actually have different type of energy audit. This is what I like to talk to you about so that you become a little bit more familiar with that. At the energy audit, you have like a walkthrough, right? Essentially, this is a basic audit that will involve a visual inspection of a building energy use, and you will identify the waste, but also, like I said, the low cost improvement. So that's your walkthrough audit, yeah. But what you also will have, you also have the level one. So energy audit. It's a more comprehensive, audit that involve a detailed analysis of the building energy system, including your energy bill, your heating, your ventilation, your air conditioning, HVAC system, and lighting. Right. What the level one will do is to identify, area of energy waste and recommend low cost improvement, and as well as high cost measurement that require further analysis. And as you'd imagine, if you talk about a level one, you clearly will have a level two and also a level three. So that is what it is. So basically, the principle is about the same. It's just like you're going deeper and deeper. And that's what that will give you. Now, what is the process? Yeah. When you carry energy audit, what can you expect happen in your business, in your company? So I'm sure it will vary depending who's doing that for you. But in general, what you should see is data collection. Data is central, right? Gathering data on energy use, on the building operation, and also the occupant behavior allow you to gather the input that you need for you to be able to work, for the auditor to work. You also have the site inspection, a detailed inspection of the building energy systems. You want to identify the waste and opportunity for savings, but you need to have that inspection, because if there isn't in that visual inspection, they can always start that remotely, but clearly they need to obviously be physically on site for them to be able to see that. And after that, you want to analyze. Remember, I said you gather the data, but data don't speak themselves. Data will only give you the information if you take the chance to properly analyze them. Yeah, that's the step you need. And after you analyze it, you want to implement, right, the efficiency measures, that you will that you identify, like for example, low cost improvement, high cost measurement, and so on and so forth. But you also want to measure and verify, because that's how you keep on checking and monitoring the savings and the energy efficiency measurement. Yeah. So those are the kind of things that you have. So just to repeat very quickly, you have the data collection, you have the site inspection, you have the analysis, you have the implementation, measurement, and verification to control that everything still works okay. Yeah, that's what I wanted to say. That's what energy audit is all about. If you happen to have an energy audit at your company, I'm sure now you're going to be a lot more comfortable about what you should be expecting. As of me, 3 things before I meet you tomorrow. You want to like the video, you want to comment it, and you want to share. Is it okay? Excellent. I see you tomorrow, the next day, and we're going to have another conversation. Take care of yourself. Take care.